Hello everyone, this is Santhej Kallada from Apify Labs, and today in this video I would like to show you how you can connect your LinkedIn account to N8N. It's a very simple process. So first I'll just add trigger manually and I'll just add a LinkedIn note. So here is a LinkedIn note. Maybe create a post. Now see, in my case I already have 3 accounts connected, but that is okay. I'll just create. So I'll just give it a name, LinkedIn tutorial. Okay. So you'll have two methods. So I would recommend starting with the standard one, and if it does not work, moving with the community management one. Okay. So yeah, that looks good. And what I'll do is I'll just click on open documents and see. We have requirements, that is you should have a LinkedIn account, you should have a LinkedIn company page. Okay, so make sure that you create a LinkedIn company page as well. And yeah, use this method for all the LinkedIn apps and user account, and use this method if you're a new LinkedIn user creating a new LinkedIn app. Okay, but in my case I have tried this node but it has failed, but this seems to work always. Okay, so I'll show you with this method, and let us scroll down, because anyway for both this it's almost the same, just here there is one slight change. Okay, other than that most of it is same process only. And yeah, use this method only for all the LinkedIn apps and user accounts. And if all users must select organization support, if turned on, credential request post as an organization. And again, if turned on, requires all these things, but that is okay. See, log into LinkedIn and here you have an option, just open this in a new tab. So basically you have to create a new LinkedIn app. So I'll give an app name, so LinkedIn, I'll just give it as connection tutorial N8N. Then you have to give your company's page. Okay, so if you do not have a company page, you have to create it. So let me just quickly get my company page. So yeah, this is my company page. I'll just click on view as member and copy the URL, and I'll just paste it here. In fact, let me see if I can get it by searching Apify Labs. Yeah, in fact I got it by searching. Now, privacy policy, what you can do is if you have a website, just give your website there. Otherwise, create a Google document and make it as public and give it here. So I'll just give it as my website name, because I have noticed that they don't really check all these things. They just need something for, I think it is for legal sake. Then Apify logo I have uploaded and everything. Click on create and click on create app. Now that is done. Okay, so we have created, we have added the logo, everything is done. Now we need to enable these two permissions, that is share on LinkedIn and sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect. So share on LinkedIn, I'll click on request access, and yeah, now that should be activated. Perfect. Now sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect, again request access. And yeah, that is done. Now here you don't have to do anything, and if you go to authentication, in your case you should be seeing this. Okay, a primary client secret and yeah, client ID. So these are some things we need. And next thing is we need to add this one, this URL, you need to add it here. Okay, so add a redirect URL and click on update. Okay, so that is done. And in some cases, if you go to settings, they'll ask you to like verify. See, first of all, see, this app is not verified as being associated with this company. So you need to do one verification. All you have to do is just click on the verify and click on generate URL. It will give you a URL. Just copy that and open it in a new tab. See, I'll just open it here. Basically, it will ask you the permission. So click on verify, click on confirm. Now that is done. Click on I am done. and just refresh the page. See, now that is verified. And in some cases, it will ask you to verify your email as well. So if that is the case, please make sure that you are verifying your email. Now almost everything looks good. And let's come back. Let us copy the client ID. We'll copy the client ID, and what else do we need? Primary secret. Just copy this, but I want to let you know that in most cases, the first time you try this, it won't work. Okay, this primary client secret, you'll have to delete it and create again, but we'll give it a try. I'll add that. Now organization support I'll disable. Legacy, this one I will disable. And one more thing I just wanted to let you know is, like, after you created the app, sometimes it might take some 5 to 10 minutes for this to get activated. So please keep that in mind. Okay. So sometimes even if you're doing everything correctly also, it may not work for first 5 or 10 minutes. Now, yeah, almost everything looks good. Let me try connecting. It will ask me for my login details. Just give me a second. Let me get my password. So I've just added my password here, and I'll click on sign in. It will ask me to allow. I'll click on allow. Yes, perfect, perfect. So in this case, it did not give me any error at all. So it got connected directly. Okay. Otherwise, see, if at all there is an issue, what I would recommend is go to this authentication, then click on generate a new client secret. So it will be created as a secondary client secret. After that, you have an option to delete this one. Okay. But again, as you can see, in my case, it worked perfectly the first time. So give it an attempt like this. And after that, if it does not work, only use this particular method. Now, as you can see, the connection is successful. And maybe I'll create a post and see. Now, if I go down, see, my name is appearing here. This is, say, test post from N8N. I'll click on execute. So it's showing me it is successful. Perfect. Now let me go back to my LinkedIn profile and see. So if I go to my profile, that post should be there. Just give me a second. Go down, go down. See, this is a test post from N8N. So that post has come. Now anyway, I'll delete that because I don't want it to appear in my profile. So anyway, this is basically how you do the connection. Okay, how you do the LinkedIn connection. So if you're someone who is looking to automate your LinkedIn posting and all, like I have tutorials in my channel where I show you how to generate content for LinkedIn. That is, you scrap from different news sites, Reddit, you will get viral post ideas, and you can post it in your LinkedIn profile. So these tutorials, I'll give a link to this tutorial in the description of this video. And if you're someone who's really serious about learning about automations like this, I just want to let you know that I run a community called AI Growth Tribe, where I teach people about building AI automations like this. Okay, so it's entirely free for you to join. And of course, we do have a paid community, but this community is entirely free. And yeah, we have tons of automations available for free in the community. So please feel free to check that. Okay. And other than that, if you're someone who's really busy and if you really want someone to automate everything for you, you can always hire me and I'll set up this entire automation for you so that every day viral topics would be posted in your LinkedIn profile. So yeah, that is basically everything I wanted to discuss in this video. Once again, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the future videos. Thank you.